In the cheerful town of Maplebrook, Aldrin and Stella were the best of friends. They built blanket forts, raced paper boats in the creek, and had an unspoken rule: ice cream tasted better when shared. One sunny Saturday, they were playing in the park. Aldrin had just finished building the tallest block tower he'd ever made. "Don't touch it, it's still wobbly," he warned. But Stella, curious and excited, leaned in to place one more block on top. Crash! The whole tower tumbled to the ground. Aldrin's face turned red. "Stella! You ruined it," he shouted. "I was just trying to help," Stella shot back, crossing her arms. The two turned away from each other. No more talking. No more playing. The park suddenly felt very, very quiet. That night, Aldrin tried to read his favorite comic, but it wasn't funny anymore. He tossed it aside. Stella tried drawing a new picture for their best friend's scrapbook, but it didn't feel right without Aldrin's goofy doodles. The next day, they both passed by the same bridge in the park. They stopped, on opposite ends. In the middle of the bridge was old Mr. Green, the park gardener, watering a row of daisies. "You two look like you've swallowed a sour lemon," Mr. Green said with a chuckle. "We had a fight," Aldrin muttered. "She knocked over my tower," he added. "I was trying to help," Stella huffed. Mr. Green nodded knowingly. Bridges aren't just for crossing rivers. They're for crossing feelings, too. Holding on to a grudge is like refusing to walk across. You just stay stuck on your side, and miss what's waiting on the other." Aldrin and Stella glanced at each other. Mr. Green smiled. "You can choose to carry that heavy grudge, or you can drop it and meet in the middle." Aldrin thought about how much he missed Stella's silly jokes. Stella thought about how boring the park felt without Aldrin's laugh. Slowly, Aldrin stepped forward. Stella stepped forward too. When they met in the middle, Aldrin said, "I'm sorry I yelled." Stella said, "I'm sorry I didn't listen when you said it was wobbly." They both grinned. It felt like a heavy backpack had slipped right off their shoulders. "Friends again?" Aldrin asked. "Always," Stella replied. That afternoon, they rebuilt the tower, taller and stronger than before. And when it wobbled, they both laughed and caught it together. Moral: holding on to grudges keeps us apart. Letting them go builds bridges back to each other. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!